Hello guys, it's me, Thomas and Idiots, and I got Corona. Sadly. Aw, shit. Oh wait, I think I have a private server. But yeah, I got Corona, and I'm scared. I mean, my dad said he'll be fine. Dad said I'll be fine, but I'm still not sure. But today, I just felt like playing something and playing this game that Thomas Adventures made, because, dear Lord, he makes amazing games. If you see this, Mr. Thomas Adventures, I'm not going to say your real name. Please know I admire your work, and I really, really love your, really love your videos. Come on, why can't I move? Okay, so this is Tiny Tank Engines narrow gauge, and it looks amazing. Today I'm a bit Duncan. So yeah. Oh, and also, Thomas Adventure TA. I saw that you uploaded the Great Discovery redub, but then I think it got taken down or something. Can you care to explain that? Maybe at some point. I mean, unless you already did, and I'm just really slow. But yeah. Anyway, back to this. This game is really cool. I really like the style of everything. Well, I don't know whether I don't know whether to consider this a style or not, but I'm just gonna say it's a style. I like the way that he made it look like one of the brands of toys of Thomas and Friends. It looks really awesome, actually. You did great modeling wise. Well, if you did model this, if you did, then you did great. And I just really respect you, man. This is awesome. I might even make a video in this game, just for funsies, cause I just want to show my appreciation to you, dude. I just want to show my appreciation and towards you, because you're such a funny fucking dude, and I really admire you and how I admired your work. And back when I started my channel, I tried my hardest to be like you, when I obviously fucking failed miserably, and those videos are old and bad, and I do not permit anyone to watch those videos. But if you do, then prepare to cringe your ass off, because those videos are even hard for me to watch. Warning, bumpy track. Don't mind if I do. Yo, Duncan, I think his long funnel got the better of him, and I guess he won't be seeing his girlfriend anymore. My humor sucks. Anyway, I'm also recovering from a cold while having Corona. That doesn't make sense at all, but wow, this game looks awesome. I've also been learning a little bit of Spanish. I'm finally gonna have the chance to learn a little. I'm finally gonna have the chance to learn my dad's native tongue. I mean, he speaks English, but really, and he speaks it really well actually. But I just wanna, I just really wanna freaking, I just really wanna speak Spanish to like in sentences and other shit, because it sucks being a Latino that doesn't know how to like speak any Spanish, at least in my opinion. For like, and I'm talking about like from like talking about myself. I don't mean any offense to like any other Latinos that don't know how to speak Spanish. Because I'm a mixed child. I'm mixed with like white and other and like I'm mixed with like white and other stuff. But mainly, but I'm white, but I'm mixed with Spanish. That's all I'm gonna say about my nationality. Anyway, this is really good. I also like. I really like this. I really like this game. I really like it. This is like my second time playing it. I played it yesterday, and it was like awesome. And oh my God, we got Fearless Freddy. Freddy Fazbear. I'm gonna have a little bit of my mac and cheese beef right here. A little bit of my lunch. Just sitting here in a bowl. Oh, that is still hot. Oh. But yeah, this is a really cool game. I really love watching it. I mean, really love playing it. And I saw the trailer for it, and it was really good. Like, it was like awesome. The layout for this game is just it's amazing. Dude, you have really outdone yourself, like in the best way possible. Like, this is gold. And I did a few flips. I don't really know what to say here, because this video isn't scripted, as you can tell. And I'm Skylo, I got the oil. I need to find the oil! If you watch Thomas Adventures, then you would get that joke. I got the oil! I need the oil! Oh, yes, I need the oil! That joke is from a good friend of his. Seyo. If you see this, that would also be amazing. But I highly doubt that any of y'all will see this. But if we look over here, you'll find actually, no, I'm not gonna spoil it for everyone else.
No spoilers. I tell you, no spoilers. If I spoil the whole thing, it'll be ruined. No more spoilers. No more spoilers.
And as you can see, here's Sir Handel. Looks a little different. Looks like a child, but that's just me. That's just me, like, just complimenting the game, because this is such a good game. Man, his past games, he has improved so much in the making of his games, and his content has improved so much. Anyway, I'm gonna say no more things, and I'm just gonna keep playing this, but I'm gonna stop the video here, but I'm still gonna play this game just because it's so amazing. And Y'all have a day.